I remember feeling overwhelmed when I thought about turning 30. Will I be successful by then? Will I be married by then? Wait, do I want to be married by 30? Will I feel any different? Am I even ready to be 30? And out of nowhere, 30 came. All of a sudden, 30 wasn't so scary anymore. 30 was perfect. Along with showing you one of my birthday celebration, I would also like to talk to you about being 30. I want to make this clear that this is my third birthday celebration. This is the video where I'm sharing with you my celebration with friends. And because I don't know which video I will upload first, I'm just going to make that disclaimer in this video because this is the first one that I'm editing. And today is a Saturday. My hubby left in the morning and brought me coffee, and on the way back he also brought me this. And I'm really surprised because I was telling him about how I wanted to redo my office. So he said as a present, he got me a new computer. So yes, a new video is in the making. I'm still editing this video as we speak. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. This way, when the video is up, you can be notified and be the first to view it.
The charger?
Quieter.
Yeah, it is. It looks different from the other keyboard. Yeah, it matches his desk too. An unboxing. Where's the baby? Is the baby up?
No.
No, I'm just making.
Moving on with my day as he is unboxing, I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to get ready, and while I get ready, I love going on live. If you would like to join one of my live videos, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on YouNow as well as Instagram. Just want to do a little talk while, we do makeup and whatnot. Hiding at work in the hospital to watch you live. Oh, honey, that makes me feel so good. Thank you so much for the support. And it doesn't turn black, so now I have to add some sunscreen because sunscreen is going to help prevent that. The only good thing is in my foundation there's also already sunscreen, so I don't have to add like sunscreen and then foundation. Hello from Dubai. It's always really cool to see following from all over the world. Not saying that, having someone from Seattle or Canada is not cool, but it's really nice to see that I reach over there. And after 90 days, that's when you know you're safe. So that's why I always only bleach my skin in like the winter time, because then I'll stay in anyways. Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining. And I feel like it's because I continue to give, that's why God continued to provide and give me so much more, because he knows that if he gave it to me, I would share. Spot treatment. And oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to cover the camera just a little bit because I'm not wearing any pants. Ooh, okay, let me think. I'm back. Thank you. That means a lot to me because you know what? My brow game's quite weak, so. So right now I'm using Fenty foundation. Fenty foundation is great for evening out your skin, but it does not cover any imperfection.
because now that I learned the trade, I know how to do this business, and I make a lot more money. I have a lot more to spare, to give, and to spend. I will renew my vow with my husband in 15 years because I'm extra as fuck. Sorry. And I want to wear another wedding dress. Yes, that's why I want to wait, because there's nothing more valuable to teach a child than kindness. Because only do they give, will God continue to give them more. That's the one thing that I appreciate my parent. My parent would always choose to teach me how to give. So my parent would be the kind of parent that would give me like just enough to get an ice cream, like everybody else, and then, or I can get less and give to somebody else, so we can share. So what my parent does with this, for example, let's say my sister and I, let's say we weren't rich. Okay, we really weren't. They do this on purpose, though they could afford to give us, both of us, ice cream. So my sister, Tilia, let's say she is always getting into trouble. So because she gets into trouble, she doesn't get treats. Because she doesn't get treat, Mom won't give her any money to get ice cream. So instead of me getting my favorite ice cream, let's say, which costs $4, I would buy 2 ice creams, that something that we would both enjoy, so that my sister and I, so $2 each, so that my sister and I can both eat the ice cream. So we were taught to share and to make do at a very young age. I have not seen anyone who has done me wrong do better in life than I do. So I've forgiven those people, obviously, and I've moved on from it. Yeah, I need a coffee so badly right now, dude. My husband's like, babe, would you like a coffee, or would you like me to watch the baby so you can do your makeup? I'm like, this, watch the baby so I can do my makeup, just in case. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and be like, baby, I want my coffee, so he can go get me my coffee. And we can tete-a-tete some more. Let me see what time it is first before I tete-a-tete with you too much. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. From where? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. What do you think of my face? I know. I know Mom Dad will like it.
You're like a beautiful daughter-in-law.
Do you like a beautiful wife, honey?
Oh, God.
This is our actual relationship. See? Wait, but you think I'm kidding? I have married a pot of gold. Sorry, he taken. Banana Dete, thank you for being here. I know I do live show randomly. I don't have a set time. I will have a set time soon because very soon I'm going, like I said, I have to add more to my work schedule. So until my work schedule is figured out, I can't really like have an actual time to when I can do this and that.
So now that I'm done with my live show, I'm going to put on my clothes. I have an unboxing to do because I did, like I said, this is my 3rd birthday celebration. I did record my birthday haul. Hey guys, it's Luvableviet, and today I am doing an unboxing for what I got for my birthday. So as you guys know, I'm turning 30, and to mark a special 30... So as you guys know, I just turned 30, and to go fly somewhere else, bro. Because it is my 30th birthday, I did went a little overboard with my spending. Not only did I spend some on myself, but my husband actually spent a good amount on me also. So it is a little more on the excessive side, but it is my birthday and it is my 30th birthday, and this is my present as well as his present to me to enter the official adulthood, because 30 is the new 21. So let's start with what my hubby got me for my birthday. I have always wanted
Dior, the Lady Dior to be exact, and he got me just that. Bam! So I'm going to now unbox the purse for you guys. I'm gonna pull it really slowly because it's such a special purse. Why? Because my husband picked it out for me. He hasn't picked out a purse for me in a long time, and so obviously it's special to me. Let's see what he chose. Are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, it's a beautiful box. I think after this I'm gonna use it to keep all of my stuff that I don't want. Just kidding. Fuck, I'm so sarcastic, I can't even. I have to put away my real personality for YouTube. It's such a pretty.
I think this is why I don't do hauls, you guys. I just lose it whenever I catch like the airplane flying over, and since I live right there near the airport, that happened quite often. That's why I think I kind of prefer vlog more. Anyways, right before we decided to leave to take the kids to the park and then drop them off at their grandparents' place, I got flour from my girlfriend.
Oh. Uh-huh. You can fit it. That's your Sunny. Uh-huh.
No matter which day it is, no matter how busy we are, we always try to do something with the babies, and today is no different. My husband and I are taking the kids to the park. They really enjoy just playing with the wildlife, looking at the duck, feeding the squirrels, so that's what we're doing right now.
I'm making home video for her when she grows up.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi there. Hi, teddy bear. It's your boy, teddy bear. You want to see yourself, teddy bear? Ooh. Who's that for your baby? Ah!
After hanging out at the park and grabbing some smoothie, now it's time to drop the kids off at the parents' house, and then it's off to dinner because it's already 7:30. If you live in Boston, or if you're visiting Boston, the one place you have to visit is Laughing Monk. Laughing Monk is this nice small place down Huntington Ave, and honestly, the food is bomb. I love all their food. I eat there on the daily. And since it's really hard to fit like 8 people anywhere fancy, we decided to book my birthday here, and we're having the omakase. And for you that don't know what an omakase is designer sushi.
This one's for Tilia. That one's for Tilia. Non-alcohol. What? Hey.
Lily now.
All Lily.
All Lily. Okay, Lily, take off. Take off. Okay.
Originally, I was going to do a really big birthday celebration, but then I decided to change my mind. I kind of enjoy small, quiet event where I can kind of be myself. To me, it's most important that I can just be myself. Honestly, I'm the type of person that enjoy actually being at the place, tasting the food, enjoying my company, rather than constantly vlogging and updating on my social media. That's why there's a lack of update, because I'm too busy living my life.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we're going to die.
Honestly, by this course, I was actually getting kind of full. I know it's crazy, it's like designer sushi. Every bite is an explosion for your mouth. You honestly wouldn't think that you would get full from 10 pieces of nigiri and a few appetizer, but trust me, you do, especially when every piece tastes like a little slice of heaven.
Dorchester.
Oh yeah.
Dorchester. They do it.
You can do it.
Oh,
Can do it.
And the drinks keep coming in, and more food keep rolling in, and the night is perfect. I'm surrounded by good people. This is an amazing food, a wonderful event. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so that you will know when the next video come out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and xin chào.